Good morning, everybody. I'd like to introduce you to handspeak.com as an educational resource. I'd like to start off over here with ASL writing, something that I discovered while poking around this website. And here is a really powerful quote by Nelson Mandela. If you talk to a man in a language he understands, that goes to his head. If you talk to him in his own language, that goes to his heart, by Nelson Mandela. I think that just encapsulates the heart of what this whole website and the resources that it has. We'll take a look at those resources. But on this particular link, there are lessons and creative works and experiments all on how to actually write in ASL. And you see the picture here where this teacher has different symbols. I am not proficient enough in the writing of ASL to be able to talk about it, but that's what this website is for. Across the top, you also see various links here. We'll take a look at a couple of them. An ASL dictionary. You can use it by search word, or if you want to do these links here, or also by the alphabet here. But just for one really quick example of what this has, if you wanted to say something like, or sign rather, the word allergy, you click on that word, and you'll notice immediately a video will come up. Here you can press play, and it will give the sign for allergy. If that was a little too fast, you can slow it down just a little bit and play again. Or if you want to go even slower, you can do it again. It'll do it in slow motion, which I think is really, really powerful. Let's go back to the top. If you are learning yourself for the first time, or teaching a child or a student, there's a list of the first 100 words, and they have those here. And again, the same thing is available where they have this list of 100 words. All these are hyperlinked, and any one that you would click on, again, would provide a video where you can play and slow it down. What I like about this one also is it gives a little brief example or definition of the word, and or if it's a multiple meaning word, it would give different signs for those multiple meaning words, which this word seems to have 3 different definitions, even though it's the same word: to discover the exact place, to find the place of someone or something, and to discover the exact place or position of. So slightly different nuances of words, but it gives the sign for each one. There's also finger spelling, which is pretty interesting. What I also like is the culture one. Anybody who is learning a language, whether it's sign or spoken, there's also a cultural part, and I think that's really important to know and note as well. And again, all these different hyperlinks here will take you to articles and different parts to get to learn the ASL deaf and hard of hearing culture, which I also believe is really, really important. So I hope you enjoyed this really brief overview, and hope you have fun checking out and looking through handspeak.com.